Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to our esteemed shareholders, board members, and heads of departments joining us from around the globe. I, Mark Reid, Chairman of the Board and Company, extend a very warm welcome to you all to the 21st Annual General Meeting of Route Mobile Limited. I am participating in this meeting through video conference from Belgium. I also chair the Stakeholder Relationship Committee of the company. I hope all of you and your loved ones are safe and keeping well. Before we start the main proceedings of the meeting, let me start by introducing my colleagues on the board and key managerial personnel attending the meeting from our registered office in India, Mumbai. Mr. Raj Gill, Group Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Vinny Binyala, Chief Strategy Officer and Investor Relations Officer, and Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢𝗥, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. I would now like to introduce the directors present virtually for the meeting. We have Mr. Rajdeep Gupta, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer.
Hello, everyone. Joining this call from our Dubai office.
Mr. Jan van Akkelen, Non-Executive, Non-Independent Director of the company.
Hello, everyone. A warm welcome. Joining this call, this meeting through video call from Brussels, Belgium.
Mr. Anil Channa, Independent Director, Chairman of the Audit Committee and Risk Management Committee.
Hello, everyone. I'm joining this meeting from my home office in Gurgaon. Thank you.
Mrs. Harita Gupta, Independent Director, Chairperson of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee and CSR Committee of the Board.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm joining from my residence in Gurugram. This is Harita Gupta.
Mr. Prakash Advani, Lead Independent Director.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Prakash Advani, joining in from Belgium this afternoon, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Mr. Suresh Jankar, Chief Financial Officer of the company.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm joining this meeting from 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗏, Andhra Pradesh.
We also have with us Ms. Rajini Mundra, Partner at 𝗘𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗏𝗏 LLP, our statutory auditors, and Mr. 𝗪𝗼𝗟 Shah of Masters 𝗪𝗼𝗟 M. Shah & Co. LLP, our secretarial auditor, attending this meeting through VC from Mumbai in India. In addition, we also have key executives and senior management joining from their respective locations through VC. Tejas, do we have the required quorum for this meeting?
Yes, sir. We have the required quorum present for the annual general meeting and can commence the proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, Tejas. The time is now 3:30 p.m. IST. As the quorum is duly constituted, I declare this meeting open. I now request Mr. Tejas Shah, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, to provide general instructions to the members regarding participation in this meeting and to read the arrangements made for the members.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 21st Annual General Meeting of Route Mobile Limited. Members, note that this annual general meeting is held through video conference in accordance with the Companies Act 2013 and circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. Facility for joining this meeting through video conference and other audiovisual means is made available for the members. This AGM is being live webcast on our YouTube channel, and members who are not in the meeting room may watch live webcast on our YouTube channel as well. As part of our AGM notice, the statutory registers required to be kept open at the meeting and all the other documents referred to in the notice can be inspected in electronic mode by any member by sending an email request as mentioned in the AGM notice, and company will organize the chronic inspection. The company has received 103 representations under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013, covering in all 5,37,13,405 equity shares, representing 84.45% of the total paid up capital as of cutoff date, which is 5th of September 2025. As the AGM is being held through video conference, the facility for appointment of proxies by the members was not applicable, and hence the proxy register for inspection is not available. As required under the Companies Act 2013, The company has provided you all the facility to cast your vote electronically on all the resolutions set forth in the notice. The remote e-voting commenced on Tuesday, 9th of September 2025 at 9 a.m. and closed on Thursday, 11th of September 2025 at 5 p.m. Members who have not yet cast their vote electronically and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes through e-voting system provided by NSDL. Members can click on EVN number 135181 to cast their votes. Before moving forward, I would like to explain the flow of meeting. First, Chairman will deliver his speech. Company Secretary will then talk about the proposals which has been placed before you for approval. Thereafter, Managing Director and CEO will give presentation on business updates. And most importantly, we will then open lines for those shareholders who have registered themselves as a speaker at this AGM. We would like to hear you, your suggestions, inputs, and comments. I now request Chairman Sir to deliver his speech.
Thank you, 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢𝗥. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's both an honour and a privilege to address you today as Chairman of Route Mobile. Having commenced my tenure in April 2025, I want to begin by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to our shareholders and stakeholders and the entire leadership team for your unwavering support and trust in this journey. The past year has been one of transformation, innovation, and strategic alignment. Together with the board and management, we've witnessed Route Mobile evolve, driven by the dedication and brilliance of our teams across the globe. Let me take a moment to highlight just a few of those accomplishments that have marked our progress. Our omni-channel strategy continues to be a cornerstone of our strategy. From WhatsApp-based metro ticketing in Mumbai and Jakarta to advanced RCS and Google Wallet integrations from Hyderabad Metro, we've demonstrated our commitment to customer centricity, innovation. These initiatives are not just technological milestones, they are proof of our ability to deliver scalable, impactful solutions across industries like finance, retail, healthcare, travel, and logistics, building recurring revenue streams while maintaining disciplined, profitable growth. As part of Proximus Global, we've unlocked new dimensions of collaboration and scale. Together with BICS and Telesign, we now operate within a powerful ecosystem that positions us to serve enterprises and telcos end-to-end across geographies and sectors with joint go-to-market initiatives. Strategic partnerships with Microsoft, Infosys, and Nokia have enabled us to push the boundaries of CPaaS and digital identity solutions. In particular, our partnership with Nokia in the network API ecosystem is a game changer, empowering us to build innovative applications and deliver transformative enterprise solutions across diverse market segments. This is a clear example of how we are redefining the role of CPaaS in the digital economy. Despite industry headwinds, including shifts in customer behavior and margin pressures, we remain optimistic. The CPaaS landscape is evolving rapidly towards AI-powered, predictive, and secure communications. Route Mobile is not just adapting, we are leading. Our investments in R&D, automation, fraud prevention, and next-generation customer experience tools, such as our 365 Guard and integrated messaging platforms, are paving the way for a smarter, safer digital future. None of this would be possible without the incredible people behind Route Mobile. To our teams, your creativity, resilience, and passion are the foundation of our success. You are the architects of our vision, and I'm inspired daily by your commitment to excellence. To our shareholders and partners, thank you for your continued belief in our mission. We remain steadfast in our commitment to transparent governance, long-term value creation, and delivering innovative, reliable solutions that meet the evolving needs of our customers. As we look ahead, we do so with confidence, clarity, and ambition. Route Mobile is poised to capture value, drive transformation, and shape the future of digital communications. So again, I thank you once again for your trust, your partnership, and your belief in what we can achieve together. I now request 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢𝗥, Company Secretary, to provide a summary of the auditor's report.
Thank you, sir. Dear shareholders, the notice of the 21st Annual General Meeting and the annual report containing the audited financial statements, including the consolidated financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2025 and the boards and auditors report have been sent by electronic mode to those members whose email address are registered with the company or depositories. These documents have been made available on the company's website. With your kind permission, I will consider the notice of the 21st Annual General Meeting together with the financial statements as on 31st March 2025 and Director's Report as read. As per the Companies Act 2013 and the applicable secretarial standards issued by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, the statutory audit report and the secretarial audit report are required to be read only when there are qualifications or observations or comments in the report which have an adverse effect on the functioning of the company. Since there are no qualifications, observations, or comments made by the statutory auditors and secretarial auditors in their respective audit report for the financial year ended 31st March 2025, which has already been issued to you, with your kind permission, these reports will be taken as read. Members may please note that there will be no voting of show of hands. We shall now take up the resolutions as set forth in the notice. We will now open the floor for any questions by the members after all the resolutions are tabled. We have 4 resolutions for approval in this annual general meeting. Item number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the audited standalone financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025 together with the reports of the directors and auditors thereon. To receive, consider and adopt the audited consolidated financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025 together with the report of the auditors thereon. Item number 2, to declare a final dividend of rupees 2 per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025. Item number 3, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Mark James Reed, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. And last, item number 4, to appoint Mr. Makrand M. Joshi and Company, practicing company secretaries, as secretarial auditor of the company for a term of 5 consecutive years. As part of AGM notice, the shareholders who have queries or seeking clarifications on these proposals or on annual report were requested to send their queries on email on or before 7 days of this meeting. Now, taking the proceedings of this annual general meeting forward, I wish to inform you that the annual general meeting has been carried out as per the applicable laws and procedures. I now request Mr. Rajdeep Gupta, Managing Director and CEO of the company, to proceed with his presentation, and thereafter we shall open the question and answer session.
Thank you, Tejas. Allow me to welcome you all to the annual general meeting of Route Mobile for the financial year 2024-2025. It is a privilege for me to address you today as at this important moment of Route Mobile journey. Year 2024-25 was a year of meaningful transformation and one of resilient execution. As we integrated into the Proximus global ecosystem, we began unlocking real commercial synergies and have taken significant strides towards becoming a truly global player in the digital communications landscape. Our collaboration with BICS and TeleSign enhances our credibility amongst large global enterprises and strengthens our direct enterprise access to previously under-penetrated markets such as Europe and North America. This strategic alignment has already begun to deliver results. Amid industry-wide headwinds, including evolving communication preferences and increasing scrutiny over artificial traffic, Route Mobile delivered a strong and stable performance. Revenue from operations rose by 13.7% year-on-year, reaching 45,756 million rupees. We processed 156 billion billable transactions, a clear indicator of platform strength and customer trust, and maintained the net revenue retention rate of 107%, reflecting continued customer trust and engagement. While average realization per transaction saw a marginal dip due to change in traffic mix, our business fundamentals remained intact. Gross profit increased by 10.5% to 9,509 million, and EBITDA rose by 3.3% to 5,278 million, demonstrating operational efficiency and financial discipline. Most notably, new product revenue grew by 38%, reaching 3,168 million, driven by the rising enterprise demand for IP-based messaging and omnichannel capabilities. This figure reflects our ability to adapt, innovate, and deliver value in the rapidly evolving landscape. We have also made significant progress in moving the value chain. We have been making strides in building a use case-driven innovation, forging meaningful partnership, and enhancing platform capabilities to solve real-world problems. Whether it's WhatsApp-based ticketing for metro system in Jakarta, Mumbai, and Hyderabad, or RCS ticketing integrated with Google Wallet, we are building intelligent, scalable solution that enhances both customer experience and margin realization. Security and trust remain the core of our platform. This year, we launched 𝗙𝗢𝗡, our AI-powered SMS spam and fraud protection solution, bringing safety and integrity to digital communication. And our efforts have been recognized globally, from hosting the Belgium Economic Mission led by Her Highness Princess Astrid to winning multiple industry awards, including Meta Solution Partner of the Year and a place in the coveted Gartner Magic Quadrant for 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗧. Looking ahead, we see immense opportunity in telecom network API monetization. With the combined power of BICS infrastructure and our enterprise relationship under one banner, Proximus Global, we are well positioned to build programmable API layers tailored to enterprise use cases. Initiatives like Katana and Aduna are early signals of this shift towards a programmable telco future. We are also accelerating our investment in digital identity. As authentication moves beyond SMS to our digital formats, to other digital formats, we are working with regulated telecom operators and central banks to solve enterprises' need for locally compliant, scalable identity solution globally. This will be a key pillar of how Route Mobile creates value in the year ahead. As we navigate this dynamic CPaaS environment, our mission remains clear: to be a global leader in trusted digital engagement. We will continue to innovate, deepen our customer relationship, expand our market reach, and strengthen our platform. To our valued employee, let me share my heartfelt gratitude to all your dedication and commitment. To our customer and partner, thank you for your trust. And to our shareholders, thank you for your continued support and belief in our vision. Together, we are shaping our position as a leader in the future of secure, scalable, and intelligent communication. Thank you. Let us now move to the presentation. Can we move to the next slide? Directly move to the key development slide, please. I think these are the, yeah. Thank you. I'm very proud to highlight some of the most impactful innovation that reflects our evolution into a solution-led CPaaS provider. We introduced 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗧, an AI-powered SMS spam and fraud protection solution to enhance trust and safety in digital communication, an increasingly critical need for enterprise customer in today's privacy-conscious environment. Our partnership with pt-Mrt Jakarta enabled a WhatsApp-based metro ticketing solution, simplifying urban transit and improving commuter experience through conversational commerce. We supported IRCTC with WhatsApp-based utility communication, delivering real-time engagement for millions of railway users across India. Our WhatsApp-based ticketing service were deployed for the Mumbai Metro, reinforcing our role in smart city infrastructure and digital mobility. And we also launched RCS-based ticketing integrated with Google Wallet for L&T Metro Railway, Hyderabad. Combining rich messaging with secure payment enables experience. These achievements demonstrate Route Mobile commitment to solving real-world challenges with intelligent, scalable solutions. They reflect our ability to deliver measurable value, deepen customer engagement, and lead the way in the secure omnichannel communication. Can we move to the next slide, please? Our journey this year has equally been marked by the series of meaningful recognition and milestone that speaks to the spirit of innovation and global partnership at Route Mobile. Hosting the Belgium Economic Mission led by Her Royal Highness Princess Astrid was a testament to the bonds we have cultivated with our strong Indian-Belgium collaboration, offering a unique opportunity to share our story with distinguished guests and the press. Our leadership in conversational commerce and transit solution has not gone unnoticed, earning us accolades such as a Platinum Award at the Telco Innovation Award and the Partnership Award at the RCS World Tour, India. These honors underscore our position at the forefront of RCS business messaging and showcase how our solutions are shaping the future of a digital engagement. In the realms of marketing and technology, we have also been recognized for our excellence and innovation, receiving 2 Exchange for Media Award for our work in demand generation and the best use of MarTech within the travel and hospitality sector. Further cementing our role as a trusted partner, we were named Solution Partner of the Year 2024 India at the 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗧 Business Summit, highlighting the tangible impact of our enterprise messaging solution continue to have. Together, this achievement reflects our momentum we are building as an organization defined by the collective commitment to shaping the future of secure, scalable, and intelligent communication. Can you move to the next slide, please? In May 2024, we marked a major milestone for Route Mobile with the completion of Proximus Opal acquisition of 83.1% stake, laying the foundation for Proximus Global. The combination of Route Mobile, Telesign, and VIX to uniquely position us to lead the future of enterprise communication, to align with regulatory norms concerning minimum public shareholding and to improve market liquidity. The promoter entity Proximus Opal subsequently reduced its stake in Route Mobile to 74.86% during the same period. By integrating Route Mobile omnichannel engagement, VIX global operator access, and Telesign digital trust capabilities, we offer a powerful connect, protect, engage framework. This synergy enables us to deliver secure, intelligent, and compliant solution at scale. Our strategy is anchored on 4 pillars: leveraging Proximus Global for strategic growth, driving hyper-personalized engagement, expanding our global footprint, and investing in network API to unlock new value. This is how we are securing long-term global leadership. I'm honored to continue serving as a Managing Director and CEO of Route Mobile, leading our global CPaaS business under the Proximus Global. I want to thank our shareholder, partners, and teams for the trust placed in me as we enter the next chapter of growth and innovation. Before we commence the Q&A session, I request Tejas Shah, Company Secretary, to share the guidance for a Q&A session. Over to you, Tejas.
Thank you, sir. We will now proceed with our discussions with the shareholders who have registered to speak today at this meeting. Before we go live with the Q&A, here are some points to note for convenience of speakers. Kindly turn on your video when you are projected on the broadcast screen. Kindly unmute yourself and proceed to ask the questions. Please mention your name, folio number, and the location from where you are joining. Each shareholder will have minimum 2 minutes for their questions. Once you have asked your questions, you can unmute yourself and continue to watch the proceedings. It may be noted that company reserves the right to limit the number of members asking the questions depending on the availability of the time at the AGM. If any shareholder is unable to speak due to connectivity issue, the moderator will call upon the next shareholder to join. Once the connectivity improves, the speaker shareholder may again be called to speak, but only after all the other shareholders have given a chance to speak. Now, I request the moderator to commence the question and answer session. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah. My name is Himani, and I will be the moderator for this Q&A session. We will now begin the question and answers by calling the shareholders one by one. So now I request Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢𝗥 to please ask his question. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can ask your question, please.
Yes. Can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
And you can see me probably?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. A very, very good afternoon, our Honorable Chairman, sir, our CFO, MD, CEO, our CS, Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗡, other eminent directors on board, our team, Route Mobile Limited, myself, 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗡, and I am participating at this meeting from Mumbai. Dear sir, you have explained very nicely, and I was listening very carefully the company's status and what the company is doing and what the company intends to do in future. We are very happy with whatever company has done and with whatever company is going to do for shareholders. Sir, first of all, I would like to greet and welcome very warmly our new company secretary 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗡 and assure him of our sound support throughout his career. And we know him since his last employment, PDF days, and he is a very loyal, hardworking, polite, gentle, soft-spoken, harmonious, cordial, and helpful always to all shareholders. Elaborating annual report is also transparent, informative, and adhering to all norms of corporate governance with all facts and figures in place. Thank you very much for giving us such a nice diamond-like company secretary. Sir, management team is doing very wonderful job since inception. Since the IPO allotted time, I have been a shareholder of your company. Very handsome dividend regularly you are paying this year also ₹11 per share. Thank you very much for this, for which we each member of the management we thank, and each member of the management we thank for their best CSR activities and for winning multiple awards and accolades time and again. Sir, I have already given my questions, but I would like to repeat within 1 minute. What is company's CSR and R&D spend in Q1 FY 25-26, and what is the total target spend for the full year FY 25-26? Since ours is a service company, therefore, what is the total strength of our employees added during the standalone and consolidated basis, and what is the attrition rate of our employees? Sir, how does the company use AI, hydrogen energy, green energy, and water conservation for improving our company's business? Sir, lastly, how much is our business has been impacted due to Trump's tariff bomb, and how is 3M's digital acquisition and its merger in our business has boosted our company's revenue, business, and profitability? Ultimately, conclusively, I would like to say, sir, I support all resolutions. I already voted for each one of them favorably. I also support appointments and reappointments of all directors. I am an IPO allottee and therefore have full faith and trust and confidence in the management, and therefore our continuous lifetime support is always assured. Finally, I would like to say, sir, for all of you, फूलों की खुशबू, कलियों की बहार, मौसम की ये रिमझिम बौछार, परमात्मा परमेश्वर आपको दे सफलता बार बार लगातार अपरंपार। मुबारक हो आप सभी को आने वाले सभी त्योहार, और इसके बाद आप सभी रहें सदा सर्वदा फिट, और आप सभी का आने वाला हर एक दिन हो सुपरहिट। इसी के साथ में विश यू वंस अगेन ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Gautam, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, sorry.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Moving ahead, I would like to request Mr. Ramesh Shankar Gola to please ask his question. Sir has not joined the meeting, so we will move ahead. The next speaker shareholder we have is Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗡 Das. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
There is no video. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Chairman, sir, all board of directors, and my online fellow shareholders who are connected with 21st Annual General Meeting of Route Mobile. Today, a wonderful meeting organized through VC mode which is grand success. Myself, 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗘, participating in this meeting from my residence at Kolkata. Sir, I have received beautiful annual report of 344 pages, which is informative, full facts of figure, and transparent also. There is a tagline in front of our cover page, empowering engagement from digital to our omnichannel excellence. I think it is appropriate for our Route Mobile. Chairman sir, in your opening speech was insightful, covering present status and future outlook, and our annual report reflects strong performance across all the key parameters of our products. So good dividend, 11 rupees 11 per share, and 6 award and recognition received from global platform by our company. Congratulations you and our management board. Sir, coming to my question, what is our roadmap for coming 2 years? Sir, what is the reasons behind it that our share price 840 now from 1700? Sir, is there any new product solution will be launched by our company? Sir, please appoint a brand ambassador for our company for better result in financial side for coming years. Sir, I have wholeheartedly support all the resolution for our management, and I believe that your leadership, our Route Mobile share price will be in the sky. Thanks a lot to our secretary, Mr. 𝗙𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢, for giving me this opportunity for in this platform and sending information time to time. Again, thank you for your commendable service. So lastly, I wish you all members family of Route Mobile for good health and prosperity, and advance greetings Durga Puja and 𝗙𝗢𝗟. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Namaskar. Sir, I'm ending my speech. Hello.
NSDL text.
Moderator.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, the next speaker shareholder we have is 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗔𝗟. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good evening to all the members on VC panel. My name is 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗔𝗟. Sir, nothing more to speak. Just that, sir, if you can touch upon the capex plan and what new applications or what new processes you are planning to introduce. Best, sir, that's it. And I trust the management. Best of luck to all, and compliments of the festive season. And compliments to the company secretary and his team for bringing out a good AGM report, sir. Informative, colorful, and adhering to all the norms of corporate governance. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, I would like to invite the next speaker shareholder, Ms. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢𝗥. Ma'am, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question. Ma'am, can you hear us? Sandeepa, ma'am?
Is she joined?
Yes, she's there. We have unmuted her.
Can we take next speaker if she cannot join? Then again, we can have it.
Okay, ma'am, we will take you at the end. We'll move ahead now. I would like to invite the next speaker shareholder, Ms. Celestine Mascarenhas.
Infrastructure and construction.
Ma'am, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
Yes. Respected, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Respected Chairman, Mr. 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪𝗓, MD and CEO, Mr. 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗔𝗍, other distinguished members on the board, my dear fellow shareholders, I am Mrs. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗧 speaking from Mumbai. First of all, I thank the company secretary, Mr. Tejas Shah and his team for sending me an annual report and also registering me as a speaker at my request and giving me this platform to interact and express my and get interaction. Our annual report is full of information, facts, and figures, at the same time self-explanatory, adhering to all the norms of corporate governance. Our working is good, revenues up, PBT, PAT up, a dividend of rupees 11 per share of rupees 10. Good. And a good market cap. Congratulations for all the awards and accolades received during the work. Very good CSR work and good ESG and sustainable reports. Now I come to my queries. WhatsApp based metro ticketing projects for Mumbai Metro and PT MRT Jakarta integrate solutions via vending machines and emails. What is the growth in these services and how much margins we are getting in these services? BICS, Telescience, and Route Mobile, my company, are now united and working together under one powerful ecosystem, benefiting from the leverage technology and sheer scale of Proximus Global. Can you throw light how much business we will be increasing, getting customers or orders, API monetization, and how much margins we will be enjoying on all these services? Next is how much of capex required for 3 years for organic as well as inorganic growth by acquisition. Lastly, but not the least, future roadmap for the next 5 years, which vertical or verticals will be the growth engine along with good margins. With this, I support all the resolutions. I wish my company all the best. I wish you all, especially all the full team of Route Mobile, very good health, as health is wealth, and also very good compliments of the future festive seasons. With this, thank you for giving me this patient hearing. Now I give it to Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas.
Hello, I'm the next speaker in the queue. Can I proceed? Can
Sure,
I
sir.
proceed?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Respected Chairman, sir, very distinguished members of the board, and my fellow shareholders. Good evening to you all. My name is Aloysius Mascarenhas. At the outset, I thank the management, company secretary, and the team for sending me such a beautiful, voluminous, illustrative annual report full of information, facts, and figures, and a very good result with a good dividend. We are with the right management, a strong management, and happy to be a proud shareholder of this prestigious company, which is near and dear to me. Now, many questions have been asked by my predecessor shareholder, and many more will be asked by succeeding. So my only question is, who are our peers and competitors, and what is our market share going forward? Rest, I don't want to ask any more question. being a reputation. So I end my speech wishing you personally, all the board members, and more importantly, all the employees, all the very best in the days and years to come. With this, sir, thank you very much for patient hearing. Good health, good luck, and goodbye.
Over to the board, please.
Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate your questions, and I will try to answer some of them one by one. And since there are certain valid questions being asked by some of the shareholders, let's start with the CSR question first, and I think that is very impactful call from our end. In FY 2024-25, the company has spent 1,42,86,306 rupees towards corporate social responsibility initiative. The details are as under. 𝗦𝗢𝗘𝗧𝗏 Foundation, we spent 52,86,306 rupees. Habitat for Humanity Foundation, we donated about 40 lakh rupees. ISKCON for the Food for All initiative, we gave 15 lakh rupees. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗔 𝗬𝗪𝗔 Sansthan, we gave 30 lakh rupees. And 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗣𝗟𝗚 Trust, we gave 5 lakh rupees. For the current financial year 25-26, the company has CSR spending obligation of 2,35,82,635 rupees. As of now, 25 lakh has been utilized towards providing food, constructing a new cemetery at 𝗙𝗏𝗪𝗏, Karjat, and supporting educational initiative. Second thing, Gautam sir, thank you for a kind word and for your kind support from last so many years. And you had a question about our CSR, especially on 2-3 questions. And I think one of them was Trump impact also when the 3M digital. So there is no impact on our CPaaS sector related to any tariff imposed by USA. And on a 3M digital acquisition, the acquisition was not consumed as a shareholder, had not approved the same. So that is completely not been consumed. As far as the future plans are concerned, I think there was a question by Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗍𝗓. So this is a very good question. And in fact, I would like to highlight the areas where we as a company working in the future. Omnichannel solution is one area where we really want to focus. We have deployed a fairly advanced omnichannel platform which supports enterprises' requirement for communication across various communication channels, including SMS and IP-based messaging channels like WhatsApp, Viber, and RCS. We are definitely focusing more on a network API solution, and we are taking the serious approach towards the network API ecosystem, which opens up a plethora of data capabilities along with telecom operators. We believe in future that I think the network API will solve lots of data security issues, and we as a combined team, Route Mobile, Telesign, and BICS, already have some kind of a leadership in this space, and very soon we will announce our strategy also and some of the large wins. There was a question on CapEx. I would request Raj or Vinay if you can share our CapEx plan for the future.
Yes, thank you, Rajdeep. So we're a very CapEx light business. So most of our CapEx is actually quite focused towards our next generation products, where we are actively investing in opening up kind of new verticals. So not a material amount. We expect it to pretty much be in line with historical trends, but we will look at CapEx investments as and when they arise. Again, focus on where we can deliver the highest kind of revenue associated value for that.
Thank you, Raj. I think there was a question about AI initiative at Route Mobile, but I think we would like to share some of the inputs, some of the insight, what we as a company working at Route Mobile. I think 365 is a classic example of AI-based spam filter solution, which we have built for one operator in India, and we are deploying another one in Africa. I think this initiative of AI has actually proven our strength in AI technology and adoption of AI technology, and we are safeguarding over 200 million subscribers through the spam, and we will continue to do this kind of innovation at our Root Mobile and the Proximus Global level. Apart from that, I think growth story, if we say, I think as we shared, network API is definitely going to be one area where we want to focus on. Apart from that, I think our omni-channel business, the new generation business, is growing multifold as we speak. Month on month, we see growth in that area. Along with, we are onboarding certain large customer also. So these are the few updates. I think I've tried to cover most of the question asked by our shareholders. If there's any specific question anybody has, please maybe they can repeat and I might answer the same.
So we have few more shareholders, so I will now call the others also.
I would request moderator that we can take one questions and thereafter Rajdeep sir will answer. So we can take one questions and one answer, one question, one answer.
Yeah. So moving ahead, the next speaker shareholder we have is Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗔𝗓. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir,
Hello. I'm audible?
Sir, you are audible, please.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, Mark, other board of directors sitting out as myself. First of all, I'm thankful to our company secretary, 𝗙𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗏, who is sending the hard copy of the report well in advance. It is full of information, fact figure are in place, which is easy to follow, easy to understand. So I'm thankful to you and entire secretary. I extended our heartfelt appreciated for your dedicated service as a secretary, sir. Report is nicely prepared with all corporate governance are covered in the annual report. I don't have much questions on this because I have full faith on board and their resolution and their working, sir. I support all the researchers. I have all sent question and query to the email well in advance, which give us save the time of AGM and give the rest speakers shareholders, sir. Firstly, I have a few questions. What is the market share we have in domestic and international market? And what would be the profit sharing ratio coming financial year? Sir, I wish good luck and bright future for coming financial year. Thank you to allow to visit. Thank you, sir.
So as far as the market share is concerned, sir, thank you for your question. As far as the market share is concerned, I think there is no published report as such in the market which gives a clarity about who owns what percentage of the market. CPaaS as an ecosystem is a very large ecosystem. It's all over $50 billion market. But I think there is no such report which talks about market share of each companies. So probably I am not able to give any numbers over there, but I think definitely we are growing in various markets. Our growth ratio in the domestic market like India or Africa or LATAM is growing every quarter on quarter in terms of volume. You must have seen our total billable transaction last year. We processed over 156 billion transaction, which is a testament to our platform and capabilities.
Moderator, please unmute Mr. Himant.
Yeah. Next question, please.
Thank you, sir. The next speaker shareholder we have is Mr. Manjeet Singh. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
हेलो चेयरमैन सर, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir, आ रही है.
Chairman sir, first of all, good evening to you, all the board of directors, all the staff of Root Mobile Limited and my fellow shareholder. सर, जिस तरीके से आपने अपनी ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स में हमें कंपनी के बारे में बताया और सर जो आप इन्वेस्टर को टाइम टू टाइम डिविडेंड भी देते आए हैं, ये सर एक काबिले तारीफ है और सर इन्वेस्टर को उसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट पे रिटर्न देने के लिए सर बहुत अच्छी चीज है. चेयरमैन सर, जिस तरीके से ये थोड़ा जीएसटी की 4 स्लैब की जगह 2 स्लैब हो रही हैं, तो सर इसका कुछ हमारी कंपनी में फायदा होगा या सर नहीं होगा? सर थोड़ा सा इस बारे में बताएं. बाकी चेयरमैन सर, हम लोगों की प्रमोटर होल्डिंग भी अच्छी है सर, पूरी 75% सरकार द्वारा जिस तरीके से होती है सर उतनी हमारी 75% है. तो सर हमारे प्रमोटर्स का भी विश्वास सर हमारी कंपनी में पूरा है और ये चीज सर आपकी नेतृत्वता के अंदर सर आपके सीएस डिपार्टमेंट में भी दिखती है कि सर वो एक एक शेयर होल्डर को इतने आराम से आपके सामने बुलवा रहे हैं और आराम से एक एक शेयर होल्डर को आपके सामने बोलने का मौका दे रहे हैं। बाकी चेयरमैन सर, जिस तरीके से हमारी बीएससी का, हमारे शेयर का, बीएस कंपनी का बीएससी का कोड है सर 543228, उसका सर पूरा का पूरा मान सम्मान और पालन हमारी कंपनी कर रही है। और सर इसी तरीके से आगे इन्वेस्टर को उसके इन्वेस्टमेंट पे ऐसे ही अच्छी रिटर्न मिलते रहेगी, इतना सर हमें पूरा विश्वास है। बाकी चेयरमैन सर, आपके सीएस और आपके मॉडरेटर का सर हम धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे सर, जिन्होंने हमें आपके सामने बोलने का मौका दिया। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी अ चांस।
मंजी सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड। और जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है कि जीएसटी का इम्पैक्ट हमारे पर तो नहीं है, फिर भी आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट राजगिल और सुरेश टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
Yes, sir. Thank you, Rajat. Yeah. I mean, there's currently no GST impact from the new rates on our business. The rate of GST on outward supplies is the same as earlier. We've represented our some consultants to look at any potential impact on the input side. But right now, we're not envisaging any impact from the new rates on our business. So, back to moderator.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to call the next speaker shareholder, Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗥𝗘. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please answer your question.
Yeah, am I audible, ma'am? Am I audible, ma'am? Thank you very much, ma'am. First of all, good evening to all the board members. Myself, 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗥𝗘 from Mumbai. First of all, I would like to say thanks to the company secretary, Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗢, for sending me soft copy as well as hard copy of the annual report well in advance, which is full of information, easy to follow. So I thanks to him and his team. Secondly, I support all the resolution. Third, as per financial part, our board of director has given all the details. So no more question about the financial part. Fifth, I have already sent the questions. So the reply has given by our company. Only I have one question that as per annual report is mentioned 75%. I mean, as per we are we are going to tie up with other companies for a development of softwares. That is my only the question, because in the mention you have mentioned in the annual report you have given the different we have tie up with different companies for the development. So as we are planning for any JV with other companies, that is the only one question what I have. Nothing much to ask, and I thank to company and company to giving me the chance. सर, एक सवाल है, फूलों की खुशबू कलियों की बहार, आने वाले सभी त्योहार हमारे कंपनी को आगे और निरंतर आगे बढ़ते ले जाए, यही मेरी ईश्वर और भगवान से प्रार्थना है। मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच, सर।
Thank you, sir. I think we have already answered your question, but I would like to repeat, we build most of the stuff in-house and we don't do any kind of partnership on software development especially. So that's my answer for you.
Thank you so much, sir. The next speaker shareholder we have is Mr. Gautam Nandi. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Very good evening and namaste. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, my online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi from Calcutta. Very old equity shareholder of your company. Sir, I have received the annual report, notice, joining link with speaker serial number through email well in advance. I have also received the hard copy of your annual report as requested for. So, my hearty thanks to our respected company secretary and the whole team of your secretarial department for rendering very good services to our minority shareholders. Sir, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference in a very smooth manner, like the previous years. So thanks again. Sir, I am very pleased to receive your wonderful annual report, which is very, very attractive, informative, and also self-explanatory. So thanks for your excellent representation. Sir, I find excellent performance in every segment, even in this challenging year. Now, almost all companies are suffering, but in this market scenario, you are doing extremely well, extremely well. Thanks again, sir. Sir, your CSR is also remarkable. So please keep it up. Sir, I am very pleased to receive your excellent dividend also, even in this challenging year. Respected Chairman, sir, your introductory speech was very much informative and also very encourageable. You have explained everything regarding the performance of our very good company in your beautiful speech. Only I'd like to share one or 2 points. Sir, I like to know you have adopted AI technology in our company. Please tell us how this technology is helping our company for further modernization, and how many employees do you have at this right moment, and among themselves, how many permanent and how many non-permanent? Please tell us, sir. Sir, I am very happy and very proud to be a shareholder of your company. I have full trust with our strong management like you, and so, along with my family, wholeheartedly support your all resolutions, which we have already casted through our e-voting. Sir, looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, handsome dividend, if possible bonus and return. May God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much, sir. Myself, Gautam Nandi. Namaste.
Gautamji, thank you for your question. I think as far as the AI adoption is concerned, we have a company called as 365, which creates build solution for especially for operators. And recently they have launched a product called as 365 𝗙, which has already been deployed with one operator right now. And I think that over 200 million subscribers are getting benefit of this AI-powered spam guard. Number of people, I think the whole company itself, like we have 30-40 people working on this particular project, and we are definitely going to launch more product very soon in telco security domain. As far as the number of employees concerned, on standalone basis, it is 520 employees and 1,576 employees as on March 31st, 2025. Of this, Call to Connect has headcount of 735.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call upon the next speaker shareholder, Mr. 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗍𝗍. Sir, we have unmuted you. You can please ask your question.
Sir, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Fine, thank you. Chairman, Mr. James Mark Reed, Managing Director and CEO, Mr. 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗏, other directors present on call, company executives and fellow shareholders, as already announced, my name is 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗍𝗍, and I'm a shareholder speaking from Mumbai. At the outset, let me thank you, for a very steady performance in a very challenging backdrop. I have gone through the annual report, and thank you for the excellent presentation in terms of products and financials. As also, I thank you, for a very descriptive presentation that you have made at the start of the meeting. Now, most of the questions have already been dealt with during the course of the meeting. I've just got a couple of points to seek clarifications from, and they are as follows. For the first question, I would like you to refer to page 154, that is 154 of our annual report, where we deal with the price compression and margin pressures. So we say here that the competition among global CPaaS players is leading to declining RPU and thinner margins. So this was the situation at the time that we prepared the annual report and finalized our accounts. In the current situation, in the running financial year, is there a change in the situation? You can elaborate that. That is the first question. And for the subsequent point, we have a large dependence on large enterprises and global OTTs. So on this, could you share, what is the percentage revenue that we get in the concluded financial year from the largest customer? And if you could name the concerned customer. So these were a couple of points. I must congratulate, the company for having, won various awards at, various forum. Please keep the flag flying. As also, I must also mention without fail that Mr. Tejas and his team have done a grand job of bringing us all together smoothly on this platform. I've already supported all the resolutions, and thank you for giving an opportunity to speak.
Thank you, Mr. Vinay. And I think there are some clarification. You're right. There are certain large OTT players. We have lots of exposure to those customers, but as a strategy at Root Mobile, we also have a lots of domestic market reach, especially in Latin and Africa and India. And I think that is one stable business, which is a growing business in terms of margin also. Overall margin, if you see on messaging side, has gone a little lower, but as far as the email is concerned, or a WhatsApp is concerned, or RCS is concerned, we definitely do higher margin. And our focus in coming years down the line will remain on these new products where we can generate more margin. So that is the kind of guidance I can give right now. In terms of naming out the large OTT customer, which I can't do right now. But if you, Vinay, if you have a percentage of revenue, probably you can share, but name we can't share at this point of time.
So typically, we have not shared customer-specific revenue contributions, but in our annual presentation, we do have the concentration of top 5, top 10 customers as such. So, that gives a guidance, but unfortunately, we can't give exact details about one specific client on the call.
Thank you so much, sir. The next speaker shareholder we have is Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗡. Sir has not joined the meeting, so we will move ahead. Next speaker shareholder is Mr. Vishala Sagar. Sir has not joined the meeting. Moving ahead, the next speaker shareholder we have is 𝗬𝗢𝗎𝗪. Sir has not joined the meeting. The last speaker shareholder we have is 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗔𝗓𝗓. Sir has not joined the meeting. So with that, we finish the question and answer session. I now hand it over back to the boardroom. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Rimpa. I believe that all the queries have been addressed. Also, we have taken note of your valuable comments and suggestions from all of you and will consider them in future. Members may note that the voting on the NSDL platform will continue to be available for the next 15 minutes. Therefore, members who have not cast their votes yet are requested to do so. The Board of Directors has appointed Mr. 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗟𝗡 LLP Practicing Company Secretary as the scrutinizer to supervise the e-voting process. The resolutions as set forth in the notice shall be deemed to be passed today, subject to receipt of requisite number of votes. We had requisite quorum throughout the meeting, so we are grateful to all our shareholders who are coming by video conferencing. Thank you. Since all the items of the business as per the notice of the 21st Annual General Meeting have been taken up, I now declare the proceedings of the Annual General Meeting as completed. As mentioned earlier, the e-voting facility will continue to be available for 15 minutes after this meeting. On behalf of our Board of Directors and management of Root Mobile Limited, I convey our sincere thanks to all the members for attending and participating in this meeting. Let me also thank all the directors and auditors for attending today's meeting. We hope to see you next year. Please stay healthy and safe and take care of yourself. I now conclude today's proceedings. Thank you very much. Have a good day.